very quiet day today. It's nice to walk around. It's not that hot. The weather is so nice, and then it's really quiet day today. So we're gonna do across maybe 2 blocks from here. I'm gonna go to this bell tower cathedral. So let's go. So this is the bell tower, guys. I'm at the back of the bell tower. This is a very quiet morning here, you know. Only few people here. It's nice to have it's nice to have a beautiful walk around. So as you can see here, we are in the bell tower right now. So it's moving actually. If you watch it very closely, it's moving, guys. Check it out. Yeah, as you can see here, we have a lot of people here. We just finished this cathedral thing, so for sure they're gonna go from different restaurant right now. Alright guys, have a good day. Thank you for watching.